Hey there, welcome to Mike's Workbench. We're getting stuff done, learning as we go, because I don't know a whole lot, and I'm a noob. But tonight, I'm going to be doing stock removal on the blade for my son that he helped design. Actually, he just gave me. This is what I want, Dad. So it's not showing, obviously on the steel here, we're not seeing all of it, but let's take a look what we got going. So first of all, this thing is thick. It is a big hunk of steel. It's 1/4 inch thick. And rather than forging this one out, this one here is just stock removal and then shaping. So I started out with this big hunk cut down. I've got a bunch of extra pieces that I can use for other projects off of it already, where I use the angle grinder. But here's where we're at. So you can see I've got some fancy cuts I got to do in there. So we'll be switching the arms out. Luckily, I have 2 other arms for the grinder, for the piece over there. And one of them is a small wheel arm. And I have a bunch of small wheels from Origin Blade Maker. So we'll be doing that. I think I'll be using, for the most part, the 24 grit ceramic belts from Red Label Abrasives. And I'll probably then, as I get into some of the finer stuff and near in the end, then I'll switch out to something else to smooth it before we get into beveling. But I'd like to, tonight, get all that grinding done. So that's a lot of grinding. I think what I also will do is take my Sharpie and just kind of re-emphasize the lines. I got a little washed, well, actually they look pretty good. Yeah, so that's where we're at. So a lot of grinding tonight. It's grind time in the forge. And so that's what we're going to be doing. So I'll get to work. I wish it was a little darker. I got some candles. I think it'd be kind of cool to set some, for some of those ones where we're doing colored lights. Thought it'd be kind of cool to set some candles up while you're grinding. And so you have like the flames. Yeah. So let's get going and actually do some work. All right now. All right, so what we got here, we've done all the rough profiling on the major sections of the blade, so you can see how that's shaping up. It looks like something an orc or some crazy battle beast would carry. But now we've got to get these smaller bits. So what we're going to do is get this. It's an Origin Blade Maker, another arm, and a small wheel holder. So we're going to replace the one with the plat in there. We'll put some different, we'll alternate small wheel sizes to get into those little grooves. And then we'll be pretty close to getting ready to bevel. We're not going to be beveling tonight. That's a lot to grind, let me tell you. But man, that's going to be, my son's going to be happy with this. It's going to be one crazy BA blade. So we'll get that set up and get this show on the road. Whoa, all right, so what a grinding session. We used 2 different small wheels. I had a platen we used all the wheels on that thing. And we have got this bad boy profiled out. So there we go. Origin Blade Maker grinder, Red Label Abrasives, used 24 grit ceramic. And then an old conditioning belt at the end just to kind of smooth it off. Next up is going to be starting to bevel out, and also I'm going to do some slight bevels on the top. We're not going to sharpen there, but what I'm thinking, this bad boy is just, look at it, it's just a beast. 1/4 inch thick. we'll continue to lose weight as we bevel. The handle is hefty. And then, look at that. Zombie apocalypse, we're ready. So this thing's gonna be cool, man. Sam, my son, I hope you are liking what you see. So this was his request. We're gonna, somehow I gotta figure out, I have no idea how we're gonna do this. There is in the design, there was right here going up, right? There's a brass guard or a guard. I might have to do steel and weld it. And then another one here. So it kind of, you know, protected the front of the hand and back of the hand, kind of cupped it. And man, this is the beast. Yeah, let's see. We gotta get one of those poses. All right, I can't help myself. It's been a long day. What time is it anyways? It is, 9:12. I've been out here for a couple hours. So hope you're all having a great day, great week. That's a wrap for Wednesday. I'm gonna go in, clean up a bit, cool down, maybe pour a glass of something, but let's get a final look at the profile blade. Oh, me, Mikey likey. I hope my son likes it. Have a great night. Take care, and as always, till next time, ciao.